let me tell you about my best friend. He's a warm-hearted person who loved me till the end. People, let me tell you about my best friend. He's a one-boy, cuddly toy, my up, my down, my pride and joy. People, let me tell you about him. He's so much fun. Whether we're talking man to man or whether we're talking sun to sun, 'cause he's my best friend.
What I want, you got, it might be hard to handle. Like the flame that burns a candle. The candle feeds the flame. Hey, hey. What I've got, full stop of thoughts and dreams that scatter. You pull them all together, and how can I explain? Oh yeah, well, you
I can't go for that.
You make my dreams come true.
I can't go for that. I can't go for that.
Well, you
I can't go for that.
oh yeah, you make my dreams come true.
I can't go for that.
You make me live. Whatever this world can give to me, it's you're all I see. Ooh, you make me live now, honey. Ooh, you make me live. Oh, you're the best friend that I ever had. I've been with you such a long time. You're my sunshine, and I want you to know that my feelings are true. I really love you. Oh, you're my best friend.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend.
So no one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke, your love lost your way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear. But when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even your year, well, I'll be there for you. When the rain starts to pour, I'll be there for you. Like I've been there before, I'll be there for you. 'Cause you're there for me too. You're still in bed at 10 and work began at 8. You burn your breakfast so far, things are going great. Your mother warned you there'd be days like these, but she didn't tell you when the world has brought you down to your knees.